Official launch of Atok Swapping Pool. The Atok Swapping Pool is a decentralized finance (DeFi) platform that allows users to trade the Atok token directly without intermediaries on the Atok dWeb. Atok users can now swap between the Atok token and USDT without limitations. The Atok token is now available on the BSC chain. How to exchange Atok token and USDT on Swapping Pool. Step 1. Access our dWeb swapping pool. Step 2. Connect your hot wallet by following the on-screen prompts. Step 3. Specify the amount of Atok token or USDT that you wish to exchange. Step 4. Click on the Review button to review your transaction details. Make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. Remember, BNB is needed for gas fee. Step 5. After confirming the transaction, the exchange tokens will be sent directly to your wallet. Download Atok app and swap now.